In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature box in Adobe Sign. This quick and efficient process will guide you through seamlessly integrating a signature into your documents, ensuring they are ready for digital signing in just about 5 minutes. First, you need to access a web browser. Whether you're most comfortable with Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, it doesn't matter, as long as you're using a browser you're familiar with. Once you have your browser open, head to the Adobe Sign website to start the process. Upon reaching the site, you'll want to log in, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Enter your username and password to gain access to your account. Logging in will take you to the main dashboard, where all the actions you're about to perform will take place. Now, direct your attention to the Tools pane on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of options that Adobe Sign offers, all intended to maximize your document management capability. You're looking for the Fill and Sign option. Simply click on it to engage the specific tools needed for adding a signature box to your document. Once Fill and Sign is active, you'll see a sign icon. This is your gateway to creating the signature box. Clicking on Sign will present you with further options. From these, you'll want to select Add Signature. This step opens up the possibilities for how you wish to create your signature. You are then introduced to 3 flexible options for your signature style: type, draw, or use an image. The type option lets you enter your name, which Adobe converts into a stylized script. The draw option allows you to physically sign using a mouse, trackpad, or any touchscreen device for a signature that's more personal and familiar in appearance. And finally, if you already have a pre-existing signature saved as an image, you can opt for the Image option by simply uploading it from your computer. With your preferred method chosen, you'll hit Apply to create your signature. Adobe Sign will then transpose the signature into your document. This part is particularly user-friendly, allowing you to click and drag the signature box to the exact spot you need it within the document. Feel free to adjust it until you are satisfied with its positioning. And just like that, your document is now ready for signing, all free of hassle and incredibly easy to complete. Whether you choose to type, draw, or upload an image, Adobe Sign ensures a smooth and effective signing experience. We hope this tutorial has helped you feel confident in using Adobe Sign to its fullest.